Okay, so you created your YouTube video. Yay! We love producing great content for our viewers, for our ideal clients, for our audience. But did you know that this really is just the beginning? See, most creators stop after they create the YouTube video. They think that this is the end product, but no, there are so many amazing ways that we can then take our YouTube video and turn it into gold, into wonderful assets that then continue to nurture the people in our world. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 ChatGPT prompts that you can use that's actually going to take your YouTube videos and turn them into engagement for your Skool communities. Okay, so the first thing that we actually need to do is we need to grab the transcription of the actual video itself. So for me, I love using CastMagic. It is an amazing platform where you can put in your YouTube videos, your podcast audios, your client calls, your group calls, like anything, and you can get the transcription of it. You can do so much with it. And actually all of my prompts that I'm about to share with you today, I already have preloaded into CastMagic. Super dope. So the video we're gonna rock with today is the 6 hidden psychological reasons you have not started your YouTube channel yet. And it is an amazing video that you need to go watch. Now, just to show you how it can look in CastMagic, because you can take these prompts and preload them. So you see here that I have preloaded prompts for like my reels, different reels, my Instagram carousels, and Skool community, different posts. This is such an amazing platform. I'll leave the link below so you can check them out. But nonetheless, we have the video already here. So we're just going to download the transcription, download text, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to drag it into Chatboo. Now, the first prompt that we're actually going to do is called the reflection post prompt. So this is going to be the type of post that just allows your members to reflect essentially on the themes that you're talking about in your actual YouTube video. So let's put this in. They gave me 500 spaces. That's okay. So take the transcription provided and create 3 reflection style Skool community posts designed to spark self-awareness and meaningful conversation around the message in the video. Each post should be written in my sassy, magnetic, emotionally intelligent tone. Use ellipses instead of dashes. Be 80 to 150 words long. Start with a bold or emotionally resonant statement pulled from the transcript. Build around a question or realization that encourages members to reflect on their mindset, habits, or visibility journey. End with a conversation question. And then also here I have where you put the output format, how I want Chatboo to give me the different posts, and then an example output post. Now, with all of these prompts that I'm giving you, of course, take them and modify them to work with, your style, your vibe, your tone of voice, all of those things. And I'm also going to be giving you all of these prompts inside of my Skool community, the Magnetic Visibility Circle. So you can go ahead and join our Skool community. The link will be below, and you can just get access directly to all of these prompts. So let's go ahead and see what Chatboo gives us. Okay, so post 1. You're not inconsistent because you're lazy. You're inconsistent because your nervous system doesn't yet feel safe to be seen. Come on now, right? So let that sink in for a second. How many times have you blamed procrastination when it was really protection? Your body isn't fighting you. It's trying to keep you safe from a visibility level it doesn't yet know how to hold. So what if you stopped judging your inconsistency and started soothing the part of you that's scared to be seen? What shifts when you treat your resistance as a safety signal instead of a flaw? What does that bring up for you? This would do so well in my community, because for my community, we focus on magnetic visibility. We focus on, creating YouTube channels for our businesses. And part of the experience for a lot of my members, I'm finding, is that they are actually scared of the visibility, the bigness of being seen on YouTube, and the things that come with that. So creating posts like this in the community would, one, let my members know that they are seen and where they are at, and that, there's no judgment, like all of the things. This is such an amazing prompt for you to be able to use with your own Skool community members. Again, that allows them to just reflect on what it is your actual video is about, should, of course, your YouTube videos be relevant to the members inside of your Skool. So the next type of post that we can create are activation posts. And this is what allows our members to feel the invitation to share their own perspective, their own, what they think about the theme that we're talking about in the video. So for the prompt, take the transcript provided and create 3 activation style Skool community posts that inspire members to take action, share their own wins, or start their own post, right? And then we have our elements here. Right, start with a bold line that challenges the reader to act. Encourage members to share their story, perspective, or result based on the ideas in the transcript. Include an invitation to start their own post inside of the community, not just comment. This is also going to be important in helping our own Skool communities to grow. One, we'll have the few that will actually take the action to create their own post, which is going to, just show the other members that are kind of lurking in the dark corners, which is fine. That everybody's welcome, but the people that are lurking, to also maybe feel the safety of being able to also share their perspective, right? Sometimes being in a space that is not yours and sharing how you feel about something, what you think, whatever, it can be scary. So having the few people that will do that will be really beneficial to the other members. And also, Skool rewards communities that have engaged members. So let's see what this gives us. So the first post, you don't need more confidence to start your YouTube channel. You need more safety in your body when you're seen. The moment you stop trying to fix your consistency and start regulating your nervous system before you film, everything changes. Visibility becomes power, not pressure. So here's your activation. Film or write a post today about one way you're helping your nervous system feel safe being seen, even if it's just breathing before you hit record. Show us your behind the scenes evolution. Go post your version of this idea inside the community, right? So again, we have 3 different versions of this, which again will allow my members to feel like, okay, I feel seen, I feel safe in this space, and you know what? I'm willing to share. I'm willing to take the next step, whatever the case may be. So again, these prompts are inside of my Skool community. You can go ahead and click the link below to get access to these. Now, the final prompt, and I think this is a really fun one, is the poll post. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Now with poll posts, I think that this is a really great way to continue to gauge where your members are at. Like, how do they feel about things? What are they thinking? everything that we're doing here is layering, because everybody is not going to take action on all of these posts. The people who maybe don't do the activation posts might be the people who engage with the poll posts, right? And this really allows us the insights into seeing where our members are just at, and allows us as the leaders of these communities to be able to take that feedback and say, okay, this is where my members are at. This might be where they're struggling with, Like, maybe I need to create more content around this, or maybe a challenge around this, some sort of group call around this, or an experience around this, a short, program around this. Whatever it is, this gives us the insights that we need to just help our members more. So the prompt is: take the transcription provided and create 5 short poll style posts designed to drive engagement and quick interaction inside my Skool community. And then we have our elements, right? Include 2 to 4 fun conversational options, use emojis, center on themes from the transcript: visibility, confidence, mindset, creativity, or entrepreneurship. Make members pause, laugh, or reflect. No boring yes, no questions. So let's see what it gives us here. Okay, so poll 1, question: be real for a sec. What actually happens right before you say you're gonna film? The options: suddenly I need to clean everything. If that was not me. Every time I wanted to do something, I'm like, I'm gonna clean the bathroom. I'm gonna vacuum. Like, I'm gonna go clean this thing. Yes. Instant exhaustion hits. Scrolling feels urgent. Ooh, I actually hit record. Rare, but it happens, right? Poll 2. What's your nervous system really saying when it's time to be seen? Visibility feels like danger. We're safe, let's go. I want to, but I'm scared. Main character energy activated, honey. So again, these different types of polls are going to help you to really understand where your members are at. And again, with the 3 different styles that we went through, the reflection post, the activation post, the poll post, is going to allow you to engage the different types of members that you will have within your community, and you being able to use these prompts and create these different styles of posts within your community. Like, you can't help but to just build an amazing engaged community of members that get to grow with you, and you get to witness that. Like, it's such a beautiful thing. Tell me your gears are not turning. All of these amazing prompts that you can go ahead and use, so that again, you're now creating this juicy piece of content, this YouTube video that educates your people, and then you can take it and turn it into engagement for your Skool community, so that you can continue to nurture your people. Now again, if you want the prompts themselves, just join my Skool community, the Magnetic Visibility Circle. You'll be able to find the prompts in there. And if you're wanting to know more, little nuggets, little snippets, little pieces of gold on how you can actually take your YouTube videos and turn them into amazing assets that help your business, then go ahead and watch this video next, and I will see you over there.